Before you start cutting branches on your apple tree this spring, make sure you know the difference between a leaf bud and a flower bud. Leaf buds are small and close to the branch, like this one, here or here, while flower buds are much bigger. Let's take a closer look. This is a leaf bud, and these are flower buds. The picture on the left has two flower buds. You can also have a flower bud at the tip of a branch, like this one. So now that you know the difference between each bud, we can start our winter pruning. What we want to achieve is to keep only one flower bud per lateral branch, like this. Let's look at an example. We have a flower bud at the tip and another one here. We only keep the one closest to the trunk. Same here. We have two flower buds. We only keep the one closest to the trunk. Here we have two at the tip and one here. We keep that one. When they are two side by side, keep only one. Here we have many flower buds, but we only keep the one closest to the main branch. So we keep going and repeating this process for all the side branches all around the tree. You may think I'm removing too much flower buds, but I'm not. In fact, each flower bud makes around 5 flowers, so that's up to 5 apples per bud. On a small branch like this one, with around 10 flower buds, it means we can get up to 50 apples, which is way too much. That small branch would probably break from all the weight. To prevent that, we will have to remove some apples during the summer pruning. So here we have the final view. You can see that all along the main branches, the side branches have only one flower bud each. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helps you.